In this quick video, I'm going to go over how to annotate an article in Microsoft Word for the Unit 1 annotation assignment. Now, we do have an annotation guide in the course, so you'll want to reference this before you begin. It includes a sample key, and if you want, you can just use this key. We're going to copy and we're going to paste it right into the document, or you can start with this and then develop your own annotations. But your assignment is required to have a key of some sort. This one has our main idea highlighted in green, so we're going to come down here, we're going to find our main idea. I'm going to kind of highlight these two ideas here together. They sort of serve as the main idea, and then I'm going to highlight those in green. So that's the main idea. The next part of our key says that we're going to include supporting or important points and underlining. So you would find a point that you think is important, and then you can underline it. You can also highlight different colors, not just green, but things that you think are interesting. You can highlight in other colors. Anything that you have questions about or unknown vocabulary can be circled. And there are a couple of different ways that you can circle a word or a phrase in Microsoft Word. You can go to Insert Shapes, and you can insert a circle like this, and then you can kind of change that shape. Like maybe I want it to look like this, and I'm going to shape fill, and I'm going to fill it with no fill so that you can see through the circle. All right, so that's one way to add a circle onto a document. Or you can go to Insert Shapes, and you can use the little squiggly line, freeform, and you can like draw your own circle using the mouse. Then you can change the format of that line so that you can see it better on the page. So that's a couple of different ways to add in circles if you want to do that. You can draw arrows on the page the same way. You can go to Insert Shapes, and you can choose arrow, and you can kind of make connections between ideas if you want to. It's also saying that you can write notes in the margins. And this is actually one of the most important elements of an annotation. It should include your own notes and ideas, your reactions to the text, things that you agree with or disagree with, things that come to mind. There's a couple of ways to do that, okay? You can either add text right into the document, okay? Like, what a great idea. Right? You can either add this right into the text and then maybe just change the font, you know, so that it looks a little bit different. You can change the font size or the font color so that it looks separate from the original document. Or you can add in comments either by going to New Comment in this little box that pops up, or you can go to Review, New Comment. Okay, whatever you've highlighted will give you an opportunity to add the comment. When you hit enter and click off of it, your comment is right there on the side of the page. So there's a couple of different ways to add in comments for this information that's requiring that. So just a quick recap. Make sure that you have a key. Make sure that you are using different kinds of annotation on the page, and make sure that you're including plenty of your own ideas and your own reactions to the text. Those will be the things that I'm looking for when I grade this assignment.